When you throw your life away to a life of crime. I was like every average teen, playing football, being on the football team. I had a promising future until I didn't. The day I got benched was the day my life changed. That day forward, I quit the football team and left my whole life behind. I joined the cartel blindly. Things that I promised would only be a one-time thing didn't seem that way.
This would be a one-time thing.
But it wouldn't be the last time. I did anything to protect the cartel and my money. I defended it with my life, even if it meant taking extreme measures. I was led by Miguel, a member of the Zetas, the cartel. My partner in crime is Bart. But someone had to get into the way. Robert.
Order in the court. I sentence you, Gabriel Cardona, to 80 years in jail for being an accomplice in an illegal drug organization. Take him away.
Mom, Christina, I put behind me for Bart. Now that I sit in my empty cell, I write to you, Mom, and my girlfriend, Christina. I will always miss what we had together, and I'm so sorry that I threw my life away to the cartel. I know you told me to stop, but I was never satisfied. I'm sorry to disappoint you, Mom. You raised me to be better. And to my girlfriend, Christina, I'm sorry that you have to bring our child into this world fatherless.